In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. First, to begin the process, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. So go ahead and navigate to the Klaviyo website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Click on that and enter your credentials, your email and password, to access your dashboard. Take your time here. It's important to ensure you're logging into the right account. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to initiate a campaign. On your dashboard, you should see a button labeled New Email Campaign. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes you into the campaign setup process, which is also where you can access the settings for your sender information. As you move through the setup steps, keep an eye on the navigation until you reach a stage that allows you to select the email message option. This is an important step because it's where you can configure all the details associated with your email, including changes to your address. Now, let's focus on the sender email section. Look for the sender email option. This should be easy to find. Go ahead and click on it. When you do this, a new set of editable fields will open up for your sender profile. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Now it's time to update your address. Carefully type your new, accurate address into the required fields. Take a moment to cross-check for any typos or errors. This is crucial. In the world of email marketing, ensuring that your details are correct and compliant with regulations can save you from potential issues down the line. After you've entered your new address, make sure to save your changes. This is an important step. You don't need to launch the campaign to save these updated address settings, which is a wonderful feature that allows you to make changes anytime without the pressure of having to push out a campaign immediately. Just look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom right of the section, and click it. And there you have it. Your address has been successfully updated in Klaviyo. Whether you're moving offices or just need to correct a previous entry, changing your address in Klaviyo is a straightforward process and can be done in just a few minutes. If you have any questions or need further clarification as you go through this process, feel free to drop a comment below the video. I'm here to help. And as always, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy emailing.